Hey guys, welcome to Brick Designed. It's Jesse. Today I'm going to show you how to build this traditional wooden bookshelf. This is a really quick and easy build. I think this kind of shelf would look great in maybe like a house or an office or maybe even a library. And I like to use the stacked jumper plates to kind of give that illusion of books, and then just play around with the decorations. You can honestly put whatever you want to kind of add bookends or just some kind of decorative piece on the shelves. And I hope you guys are enjoying all these builds I'm doing this month. I have many more plans, so check those out. Like and subscribe if you guys haven't already, and thanks so much for watching.